Hello, I'm R.Jordan. I'm with the Jordan Property Group and eXp Realty, bringing you today a quick move-in video tour of a townhouse complex in central Colorado Springs, located at 3492 Sobo View. The builder here is Local Builders Homes. The plan is called the Taylor. The subdivision is the Vistas at West Mesa. Let's go inside. We're a little quieter because of construction going on. And I'll show you this really nice home. We first access through a two-car attached garage. This home is what we call a quick move-in home. It is completed, ready to close on, not furnished, but it's ready to go. On the main level, to my immediate left, after entering from the garage, you have a living area, kind of a mini kitchen, a wet bar, place for couches, tables, and so forth. Off to the left here would be a bedroom with a full bath. Another access door from the opposite side from the garage. Up the stairs now to the second level, which is where we have your kitchen, main family room, and where the most living will take place. You might notice some very attractive laminate wood flooring. A very nice kitchen with big island, granite countertops, gas stove top, microwave, all stainless steel refrigerators. Here's your pantry area. Very nice and very well done. Where I'm standing right here would be your eating area. And this area ahead would be your family room area with access to a nice private deck on the outside here. This townhome is located less than 5 minutes from downtown Colorado Springs. Also, you can walk from this townhome complex to a shopping center across the street where you have major grocery stores, all types of shops, restaurants, and so forth. Very convenient with amenities right here. This complex is a very high demand west part of Colorado Springs. A lot of the areas have mountain views. Being a townhouse complex, there's no maintenance, just very easy, convenient living. We'll go upstairs now to the bedroom area. Up 2 steps, 3 steps to the first little landing is access to a powder room or half bath. Back up the steps now. This home is completed, ready to close on as fast as you are. And there are some very attractive buyer incentives provided right now by using Local Homes Preferred Lender. Here's a bedroom number 2. Big views, open space down below here. Be some very nice city light views at night. Here's access to a full bath. Once again, single vanity, granite counters. Bedroom number 3. Across the hallway is your laundry utility room for your washer dryer. And now we enter the master bedroom. Nice size. Once again, bright windows, lots of natural light, unobstructed mountain views. The real added value right there. And it flows into a very attractive master bath, 3/4 bath, nice big shower, private toilet room, double vanities, granite counters, and a nice large walk-in closet. So, if a home like this, in a location like this, near downtown Colorado Springs, walking distance to grocery stores, shopping centers, restaurants, less than probably a 5-minute drive to the famous Garden of the Gods Park. Beautiful Colorado Springs, no maintenance. If this appeals to you, give me a call, 719-502-7176. Let's talk about your specific needs, your what, when, and where, how we can be a best, most valuable service to you. I appreciate you watching the video tour. Hope it's of value to you. And once again, subscribe to the YouTube channel. You'll have access to actually over 100 of these quick move-in video tours in this Colorado Springs Monument area. I appreciate you. Look forward to talking to you soon.